Well, hey, taking the Impala out for a little spin. Get gas. Head down to Green Bay. Got a review for you. That review is Headlights and how they've been doing. So I'm back home. It's actually the next morning. Trip went well. See the Impala in here. It's dark. Got her in the garage. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it and show you the headlights brightness because I got to go to work. But now sitting in the captain's seat here as we go to start the car. Boom. Sorry I got my junk there, but you can see how bright the LEDs are. There's pulling out of the garage. It's been kind of a rainy. I'm going in the ditch. It's been kind of a rainy, nasty couple days here. But this is just on normal here. There's one street light way down there. You can kind of compare the light to that street light. They're really bright. And if I go to hit the brights, it's only amplified a little bit more. So overall, they're super, super bright. Overall, for the housings themselves, they're holding up really well. As you can see in the first little clip of this video, that they are still clear. They're not fogged up. I drive the thing in the rain. They hold up really, really, really well. No issues. It's actually raining out right now. And so far, so good. I like the look of them. Installation on them, as you guys saw, was very easy. So if you guys hadn't seen that video, go back in the playlist for the Impala SS and you'll see headlight upgrades. I got her in there. So other than that, yeah, they are holding up really well. No complaints, really bright. Guess if you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, whatnot, drop a comment below. If you like this video, like a review on stuff, please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll gladly review anything. I got a couple things in mind I'd like to review here, but just wanted to get a quick video out today and share an LED headlight, clear lens, Amazon special review. Thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you next time.